Hi,
Good
hi,
evening.
Kusha.
Yeah, my question is like, if you have had a look at the pitch, and does it look like a pitch which will suit the spinners? Like, what's your opinion and take, like, going to happen? Like, it's a different kind of a scenario from Australia. So
I think
give us
Indian
some
wickets
idea.
will always suits any spinner. So yes, we know we are playing in India. We back our strength, but we'll have to wait and watch, wait and see how it behaves from day number one. But in India, there is always assistance for spinners. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see.
Yeah. Okay. So Ajinkya, I'm saying after the high in Australia, sometimes there is an outside chance, or it might happen. Just maybe it can happen that when India are playing or any team is playing at home and starting as favorites on paper at least. I mean, complacency might creep in the sense that on the heels of such a fantastic series win, momentum is with the team. So, is this an issue you have talked with the boys in the group, especially with the youngsters?
Not at all. We know every series, every game is really important, especially this Test Championship. What happened in Australia, that was really special, but that's past again. We are thinking about this series, this game particularly, and taking one game at a time. So I don't think we have to think too much about complacency or any other. We know that what's our strength, and we know how the Indian wicket behaves here. We still respect England team. They are a very good team. They did really well in Sri Lanka. So basically, we have to play good cricket, back our strengths, and play as a team here.
Hi Ajinkya. Congratulations and thanks.
Thank you.
My question is, can you explain or talk about the process of leaving the last series behind? You've had a very short gap to recover, rest, and then start again from scratch, literally against different and equally tough or opposition. It's not going to. It's a long series. It's going to be quite draining again. So, can you just talk about the process? How you people have been able to switch off from the previous Australia series and switch on to the England series?
See, when we came back from Australia, I mean, as I said earlier, that Australia was really special for us. We did enjoy our victory, especially that night in Brisbane, and also when we came back home. But again, as I said, that we are in the present now. What we learned from Australia was after losing the Test match in Adelaide, how we came back. So it's all about staying in the moment, staying in that moment. So we respect England team as well. We are not going to take them lightly. For us, what is important that playing good brand of cricket, what we've been playing since last 2-3 years, and just play as a team, play as a unit. So as I said, that we are not taking anything for granted. It's all about taking one match at a time and then going into the series.
Hi Ajinkya. Hi
Hi,
Ajinkya.
hi.
You must have heard about the Australia South Africa series cancellation and New Zealand progressing to the World Test Championship finals. India is certainly a favorite to reach the final. So how exciting would it be for your team to play the World Test Championship finals, as all you guys pride yourself on playing the longest format of the game?
See, right now we are just focusing on this series, this game, Chennai game. Test Championship final still, I think, another 3-4 months from now. We are not thinking about that. New Zealand played really well, and they deserve to be there. For us, what is important that we are playing against England now. It's all about taking one game at a time against them. As I said that, and I've been saying this, that England is a very good team. We have to play good cricket, and then we'll see what happens after the series.
You entered the bio bubble like the rest of us around August 21st, and it's been like 6 months, and you have another month again to be in a bio bubble. I mean, you're gonna be seeing the same faces almost every day. Like, what are you guys like? How are you guys like coping up with this? Are you guys doing something behind the scenes? Can you just talk us about, because at the end of the day, you don't want you to be tired mentally as well, right?
We're not mentally tired at all. We are really tough mentally, and we are as a unit. We are as a family. So we are enjoying each other's company here. We are spending time in our team room. Families are here, which is really important and which is really good. So we are not at all tired, and we are really mentally tough.
Yeah, hi Ajinkya. Have you decided on the 11, like stuff like 2 spinners or 3 spinners? Have you given some kind of a rough draft to the team?
Not yet, not yet. We'll decide that tomorrow after our practice session, and we'll see about the combination.
Okay. Ajinkya, so you led the team so well in the last 3 matches, and you and Virat have a very wonderful partnership. You two guys are different as chalk and cheese, but you all get along really, really well, be it in the on-field partnerships or even in the decision making and this one. So just tell us about the camaraderie, the relationship that you all have that is driving you two guys together and the team forward.
See, my job is to take a back seat and try and help Virat. As a captain, there are too many things in captain's mind. So, as a vice captain, you have to visualize the situation, think about what can happen in the game, and then if captain asks you for some suggestions, you should be ready. So, my job is really easy. I'll take a back seat. Whenever required, I'll go and tell him, or whenever he asks me about certain things, I'll just go and tell him. So it's all about, I think, that helps us a lot. For me personally, I generally take a back seat whenever I'm the vice captain.
Yeah, hi. I just want to know about is Hardik Pandya bowling in the net, and any chance of you guys including Akshar Patel after seeing how well the Sri Lankan left-arm spinner bowled against England?
I'm not going to tell about Hardik Pandya. He's in the squad and he's working really hard on his game as a bowler and also as a batsman. About Akshar Patel, as I said, that we are going to take a call tomorrow about what will be our combination about this for this game. So yeah, you have to wait and see.
Yeah, hi Ajinkya.
Hi.
You touched on Virat's return. Obviously, a couple of big names coming back for England as well, Ben Stokes and Jofra Archer. Of those three, who do you think is going to have the biggest impact on this series?
See, we are here. We are thinking about playing as a unit. Yes, Virat is back, which is really positive sign for us. He's been batting really well, and you know his record. So we are really happy that he is back. Ben Stokes and Archer, they are really good players. They did really well for England. So it's not about any individual. I think it's all about the team. England team, they are a very, very good team, balanced team, and they did really well recently against Sri Lanka. So for us, what is important that we plan against all their guys and just play as a team here and back our strengths.
Hi, Ajinkya. I was just wondering, how happy were you to hand the captaincy back to Virat? And does his return to the camp, does that bring fresh energy that perhaps guards against any complacency or bringing people back down to earth after the Australia win?
See, Virat is the captain. He left from Australia because of family reasons, and that's why I became the captain. But originally Virat is the captain and I'm the vice captain. So I'm really happy that he is back with us, which is really positive side. And as a team, we are just focusing on playing together, playing as a unit, and just playing to our strengths.
How are you feeling about your own batting form, and what are you looking at from this series? And now you'll be back at number 5. So any adjustments are needed, like mentally?
Yeah, a little bit adjustment needed, but at the moment I've been batting really well. It's all about, I think, what team requires in that particular situation and bat accordingly. For me, it's all about contribution for the team rather than thinking about my own performance or my own outcome. So yeah, I'll give my 100% whatever team requires in that certain situation, and I feel really good about my batting.
Hi Ajinkya. I want to ask you, for a player like you who mostly plays red ball cricket, but you also are, of course, in IPL. Now, in case if you are planning to, and I'm sure you must be planning for a comeback in the white ball cricket, how difficult it is for you to show your skills in red ball cricket while being in contention for white ball cricket for India?
When you play Test cricket, it's all about what requires in that form. So, yeah, I'm not thinking about white ball cricket while playing Test cricket. Whenever I come back into white ball cricket, I'll think about my game. But right now, whatever team requires in that certain situation, I'll bat accordingly. And it's a different ball game altogether. Red ball, game changes completely. Every session is really important, so you play accordingly. So yes, whenever I come back in ODI team, I'll think about that. But right now it's all about focusing on one test match and then about the series.
Ajinkya, you had smashed 100 against England at Lords in 2014, and against Broad, Butler, Moeen Ali, Ben Stokes, and they all are playing in the same team in the upcoming series also. So have you prepared something differently, considering that now you are playing in India?
Not really. I think we know our condition in India, especially we are playing after I think 2 years in India. So it's all about, I think, personally backing my own game, what team requires, and then just play accordingly. So yeah, I'm going to keep it really simple.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि ज़्यादातर इंग्लैंड के बहुत सारे प्लेयर खेलते हैं आईपीएल में, और जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के भी बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स आईपीएल में खेलते हैं, तो जो बॉलर्स होते हैं आपस में टाइम बिताते हैं, बैट्समैन भी नेट्स पर खेलते हैं उनके बॉलर्स को, तो इसका कितना फायदा होता है जब उनके माइंडसेट को आप समझते हैं, उनके साथ आप टाइम गुजारते हैं, उनके साथ आप नेट्स पे बैटिंग या बॉलिंग करते हैं, तो उसका हेल्प कितना मिलता है?
देखिए, आईपीएल में ज़रूर हम खेलते हैं, लेकिन टेस्ट क्रिकेट और आईपीएल एकदम ही अलग है। पता है कि हमें उनके बॉलर्स यहाँ पे आके कैसे डालते हैं, बट जैसे मैंने कहा कि लेंस कम्प्लीटली अलग होते हैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, वाइट बॉल में कम्प्लीटली अलग होते हैं। हम लोग जो कुछ आईपीएल में करते हैं, हम कुछ ऐसे नहीं कि हम सारी चीज़ें उनको बताते हैं। आई थिंक वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके लिए। तो देखिए, आईपीएल और टेस्ट क्रिकेट कम्प्लीटली अलग है। यस, हम काफ़ी सारा क्रिकेट एक साथ खेले हैं, बट जब आप कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट, आई थिंक, आप कैसे बेस्ट दे सकते हो इंडिविजुअली और एज अ टीम।